Do you wake up tired even after a full night's sleep? Do simple tasks feel harder than they used to? If you are over 60 and feel tired all the time, this is not just aging. There are real reasons behind it. And more importantly, there are things that truly help. Today, we will explain why seniors feel constantly tired after 60 and what actually restores energy safely and naturally. Stay with us until the end. Reason 1. Poor sleep quality, not sleep time. Many seniors sleep for hours, but the sleep is shallow. The body wakes up often without you realizing it. Pain, stress, medications, or breathing issues disturb deep sleep. What actually helps? Go to bed at the same time every night. Avoid screens and news before sleep. Keep the room quiet, dark, and cool. Good sleep restores energy. Long sleep does not always mean good sleep. Reason 2. Dehydration. You don't feel. After 60, the sense of thirst becomes weaker. Many seniors drink far less water than their body needs. Even mild dehydration causes fatigue, weakness, and dizziness. What actually helps? Drink a glass of water soon after waking up. Sip water regularly, even if you're not thirsty. Energy cannot return without proper hydration. Reason 3. Low movement during the day. Rest feels safe, but too much rest creates weakness. When muscles are not used, energy drops. Blood flow slows. Joints feel stiff. What actually helps? Gentle daily movement. Short walks. Light stretching. Movement creates energy. Stillness slowly takes it away. Reason 4. Nutrient deficiencies. After 60, the body absorbs nutrients less efficiently. Low iron, vitamin B12, or vitamin D can quietly drain energy. What actually helps? Regular blood tests. Balanced meals. Doctor-guided supplements when needed. Fatigue is often the body asking for nourishment. Reason 5. Emotional stress and worry. Many seniors carry silent stress. Health worries. Family concerns. Loneliness. Stress drains energy faster than physical work. What actually helps? Calm mornings. Prayer, gratitude, or quiet breathing. Talking openly instead of holding everything inside. Peace restores strength. Reason 6. Accepting fatigue as normal aging. This is the most harmful reason. When seniors say, "This is just old age," they stop searching for solutions. Fatigue is a message, not a life sentence. What actually helps? Speaking honestly with your doctor. Describing how fatigue affects daily life. Asking questions without fear. Energy improves when problems are addressed early. Conclusion and CTA. Feeling tired all the time after 60 is common. But it is not something you must accept. Better sleep. More water. Gentle movement. Proper nutrition. Emotional peace. And clear communication. These small changes restore strength and independence. If this message helped you, subscribe to Wise Seniors. We share calm, honest guidance to help you age with dignity and confidence. Remember, seniors who understand their bodies live better.